it's our last full day here in Tokyo, and here in our favorite hotel, the Peninsula Tokyo. It's between Marunouchi and Ginza. Today we're gonna do last minute shopping in Ginza, go to mass over in Sophia University, and some more last minute shopping in Tokyo Station. Last night as we were coming home from our sukiyaki dinner, entering the hotel, it was really amazing. Sam Smith came in and he was walking up from the below entrance with his entourage, so I was literally just side to side with him. It was so surreal, I didn't know what to say. I got so nervous, but I'm pretty sure he's staying on the same floor over in the penthouse, just a few doors down, so I'm gonna have this camera here just in case I see him again. We'll see one more day for that.